Each year in Sweden, about 5,500 people suffer from out-of-hospital cardiac arrest, but only 600 survive. When these emergencies happen, it's important to act fast. But sometimes the ambulance services don't make it on time. Advancements in UAV technology and the use of the 4G and future 5G network makes it possible for us to create digital aerial infrastructure, which enables UAVs to reach remote locations. This infrastructure allows an entire network of UAVs and emergency services to be connected, controlled and corrected dynamically by both the control center and the authorities. The UAV situational awareness will let it adapt its travel route depending on weather reports, changes in routes of manned aircraft, obstacles or no-flight zones. As of today, rules and regulations haven't caught up with the advancements of UAVs as life-saving methods, leaving many people without the help they need. We want to see a solution where technology can be used to its full extent and as a service to society. This network will create information gathering and logistical solutions for everything from security, agriculture to healthcare. Together, we can enable the infrastructure of tomorrow.